Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about daily life in New York City. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a shop worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is inside the wooden tanks on top of New York buildings? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, the buildings are so tall. I have to look straight up.
Welcome to New York, Ken. This is my city. I will show you around all day today.
Thank you, Ellie. I am so happy to be here. I have wanted to come for years.
I am happy you are here too. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was too excited, but I feel great now.
The city will wake you up. We took the subway here. Did you see that the trains run all night?
All night? The trains never stop?
That's right. The subway runs 24 hours a day. New York never sleeps.
That is amazing. In my city, the trains stop before midnight.
Here, you can go home at 3 in the morning. There is always a train.
And I just tapped my card at the gate. So easy.
Yes, you can tap your card or your phone now. No paper ticket.
One more thing. 2 trains came, but we waited for the second one. Why?
Good question. The first one was a local train. It stops at every station. We took the express. It is faster.
Local and express on the same line. Smart.
Very smart. New Yorkers love a fast train.
Hey, look up there. What are those?
Where? On the roofs?
Yes, those big wooden barrels on top of the buildings. I see 1, 2, so many of them.
Ah, good eyes. Almost every building has one. Most visitors never know what they are for.
Really? What are they? Tell me.
No, not yet. Here is a little game. Guess what they are. I will tell you the answer tonight.
A game? Okay, I like that. I will find the answer today.
Good luck. Now, let's start the day. First, we need some coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect. Lead the way.
See that little cart on the corner? That is a coffee cart. They are all over the city.
A coffee cart on the street? Cool. How do I order?
Easy. Many people just say, 1 regular, please.
Regular? What does that mean? Just normal coffee?
In New York, regular means coffee with milk and sugar. It is a local way to say it.
Oh, I did not know that. So if I want black coffee, I should not say regular.
Right. For black coffee, just say coffee black. The word regular is the New York way.
That is useful. I will remember it.
These carts also sell hot dogs and snacks later in the day. They are quick and cheap.
Good to know. I'm getting hungry already.
Here, I got 1 coffee for you. Look at the cup.
It is blue with a Greek pattern, and it says, "We are happy to serve you."
That blue cup is famous. It is a real symbol of New York.
I love it. The coffee is good. The water must be good too.
You are right. People say New York has very clean tap water.
Clean water? Why does that matter for coffee?
Many people say the clean water makes our bagels and pizza taste so good.
Good bagels and pizza from clean water? That is interesting.
It may be true, or it may be just a story, but we love to say it.
I will try a bagel before I go home. Hey, I see another wooden barrel up there. Is it for wine or maybe oil?
Wine on every roof? Nice guess, but no. Keep thinking.
Something that everyone uses every day.
You will get it. Now, are you hungry? Let's get you a real New York breakfast.
Yes, please. What should I eat?
See that little store on the corner? That is a bodega, a small corner store. Go inside and order. I'll wait out here.
A bodega. Okay, I will try it. Good morning. Can I get a breakfast sandwich?
Good morning. Sure. Do you want a BEC?
A BEC. What is that?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. It is the most popular breakfast here.
That sounds great. One BEC, please. On what kind of bread?
On a roll, the usual way. Do you want salt and pepper?
Yes, please. This is my first time in a bodega. Are you open all night?
Yes, we are open all day and all night. People come at any time.
At 2 in the morning, too?
Of course. This city never sleeps, so we never sleep.
That is amazing. You sell so many things in one small shop.
Food, drinks, soap, milk, bread, a little bit of everything.
Do many people come here in the morning?
Yes, very busy. People grab coffee and a sandwich before work.
It feels like the center of the neighborhood.
It is. Everyone knows the bodega. We know our customers by name.
That is so nice. In a big city, that feels warm.
That is the bodega way. We take care of our block.
Oh, is that a cat on the shelf?
Yes, that is our shop cat. Many bodegas have one. We call them bodega cats.
So cute. Does the cat have a job?
The cat keeps the mice away, and the customers love it.
That is the best job. Can I ask you one more thing? Those wooden barrels on the roofs, do you know what they are? An old chimney?
Not a chimney, but I will let you find that out yourself. Here's your sandwich.
Thank you. Can I also get a bottle of water, please?
Sure, here you go. New York tap water is great, but a bottle is good for a long walk.
I keep hearing about the water today. How much is it all?
$4 for the sandwich, $1 for the water, $5.
Here is $5. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Have a great day in the city.
Thank you so much. It smells wonderful. Wow, so many trees. Is this a real forest in the middle of the city?
This is Central Park, but it is not a natural forest. People built all of it.
People built it? Even the hills and the lakes?
Yes, long ago, workers moved the rocks, the trees, and the water. They planned every part.
That is hard to believe. It feels so natural.
It is very big, too. It is larger than some small countries.
Larger than a country? No way.
It's true. You can walk for hours and not see the end.
And it is so quiet here. A minute ago, I heard cars and people. Now I hear birds.
That is the magic of the park. The city is loud, but here you can rest.
Look, a little boat on the lake. Can anyone use it?
Yes, you can rent a boat. And the park is free for everyone.
Free? In the middle of such an expensive city?
Yes, rich or poor, everyone can come here. That is why people love it.
In such a busy city, people need a green place to breathe.
That is true. On a warm day, families bring food and sit on the grass for hours.
That sounds wonderful. I could stay here all afternoon.
Many people do, but we still have more to see.
And I think I have seen this park before.
In the movies, right? Hundreds of films use this park. Maybe you saw it on a screen.
Oh, you are right. I think I have seen this bridge in a film.
Many people feel that way here. Now sit down, rest your feet for a minute.
Thanks. So, can I have a hint about the wooden barrels?
Okay, one hint. In a tall building, something is hard to push all the way up to the top.
Hard to push up to the top. Let me think about that.
Take your time. We have one more big place to see.
My eyes! So many bright signs everywhere. It is bright like daytime.
This is Times Square. Here, the signs must be big and bright. It is a rule.
A rule? Buildings must have bright signs?
Yes, if you have a building here, you need bright lights. That is what makes this place special.
That is so different. In most places, people want fewer lights, not more.
Not here. The more light, the better.
Look at all the people and those yellow cars everywhere.
Those are the famous yellow taxis. You can see them all over the city.
I want a photo with one. Later, okay?
Sure. And look, people in costumes are taking photos with tourists.
Fun! Do they work here every day?
Yes, they do. This area is full of theaters, too.
Theaters? For plays and music?
Yes, people come from all over the world to see a show here at night.
I would love to see one someday.
Then you must come back. Have you heard of the New Year Ball?
The ball? No, tell me.
On the last night of the year, a big, bright ball drops down right here. Millions of people watch.
I have seen that on TV. So this is the place. People call it the center of the world, right?
Some people call it the crossroads of the world. So many people meet here every day.
I can believe it. I hear many languages just standing here.
That is New York. People come from everywhere.
Okay, back to my game. You said something is hard to push to the top of a building. Is it water?
Oh, you are very close now. Very, very close.
Water and the wooden barrels. I think I am almost there.
Come on, let's watch the sunset from a roof. Then you will see.
This rooftop view is beautiful. The sky is orange and pink.
I love it up here at sunset. Now look out at all the roofs.
I see them. Wooden barrels on top of so many buildings. Okay, tell me the answer now.
You earned it. Those wooden tanks hold water.
Water. I was right. But why on the roof?
In a tall building, it is hard to push water all the way up to the top floors.
So what do they do?
They pump water up to the tank on the roof first. The tank stays full.
And then?
Then the water falls down by itself. Gravity does the work. That gives every floor enough water.
That is so smart. But why wood? Why not metal?
Wood is cheaper and it lasts a long time. The wood gets bigger with water, so it does not leak.
How long has the city used them?
For more than 100 years. New ones still go up today.
So they are not just old, they still build them.
Right. It is an old idea, but it still works the best. Simple and cheap.
Amazing. So the clean water you talked about this morning goes up there too?
Exactly. The same good water for your coffee, your bagel, and your shower.
I will never look at a roof the same way again.
That is the best part of this city. Small things tell a big story.
One more question. Why do people call New York the Big Apple?
That is a story for next time. Let's just enjoy the sunset.
Deal. Thank you for the best day, Ellie. I learned so much.
You're welcome, Ken. Come back soon. The city has more secrets to share.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is inside the wooden tanks on top of New York buildings? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.